Well, this is Wedgwood Charnwood pattern, classic Wedgwood shape teacup, almost a sort of bowl or ball teacup with a pedestal foot, very pronounced pedestal as you can see. Charnwood is this very stylized pink and green mainly blockwork pattern of these sort of Asiatic looking floral, whether they're roses, peonies, I don't know, it's more artistic than horticulturally accurate. Nice plain rim with gilt, little bit of wear on these. They have been used, but they're in nice bright condition, the glaze, and the good gilt retention around the outer walls of the handles and on the pedestal foot. Show you the Wedgwood Classic Urn marks on the base, bone china made in England with some decorator's marks there. And the saucers, quite a flat saucer with plain rim and gilt, again decoration right the way across the saucer well here with the butterflies and floral motifs. I think it looks much better in a larger blockwork section, the Charnwood design, than it does on the smaller sections used in the teacup, but they have put a little bit of inner wall decoration there just to finish them off. Nice condition sets, period Wedgwood from 20th century, not particularly antique or old, probably 60s, 70s or 80s these on those marks. They didn't use any dating on these, that you've got accurate reference to a specific tighter date range than that. So Wedgwood Charnwood pattern, the numbers in the listing on the website with all the dimensions and sizes for these teacups and saucers. Thanks for watching.